ductboard box, and plenum transitions. Welcome back. In this class, we're going to break down the role of the B, also called the plenum, and how to create proper transitions between your air handler and the duct system. Ready? What is a plenum box? The plenum is the main air distribution box that connects directly to the air handler. This is where the airflow starts. From here, the air branches off into different ducts that lead to each room. This box is typically made from duct board, a type of fiberglass board with foil backing that's lightweight, insulated, and easy to cut. How to build the plenum. Use your knife to measure, score, and cut the duct board according to the air handler's size. Always measure the air handler's opening and leave some room for a tight seal. You'll apply splay glue and metal pins to fasten the pieces together, and then use aluminum tape or mastic to seal all joints. Ductboard box. You might need to create a transition piece between the air handler and the plenum if their sizes don't match perfectly. You can build that using the same duct board or sometimes sheet metal, creating a smooth path for the air to flow. Secondary distribution boxes. Now here's an important tip. Sometimes you'll install a second ductboard box, also called a distribution box, after the main plenum. Why? Let's say the main plenum feeds into a hallway, but you need to distribute airflow separately to 3 bedrooms. You can use a secondary distribution box with multiple takeoffs, one for each duct leading to those bedrooms. This setup helps organize duct routing and balance airflow more evenly across the home. Checklist: tools and materials, duct board, duct knife, splay glue, aluminum tape, mastic, staples or pins, tape measure, marker, flexible duct for takeoffs,